Hello darlings, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you're another YouTuber, let me know down in the comments and I will sub you back. Now stay safe, wear your masks, and here's the video. Hello darlings, it's Brandy here. Today's video is going to be me trying a new cat eye polish from Amazon. But first, it's shameless promotion time. I know Valentine's Day is over, but we have so many amazing charms and stickers and our Hearts with Wing boxes, glow in the dark flowers, all kinds of everything, piercings, kawaii, kawaii, kawaii. We got the whole Sesame Street going on. So many great products, and they can be used all year round. There's no saying that, you know, it has to stick with a certain season. Break down all those walls and open up your creativity. You can push everything to the limit and make some awesome designs. Don't forget to use your ambassador codes KF10, ShariaBaby10, or Sassy10 to save yourself 10% on your entire order. That's everything on the website, on sale, whatever. Save yourself some dough. Alright, y'all, let us get on to this new brand, HEPNAILZ. I love it, and the price is awesome. The website is going to stay open, so yay! I had to add that in here to let y'all know, in case you were wondering. Now let's get on to this video. Okay, we are going to start with the shell thread technique. That is what they call it. I've shown it before on here with a different polish. That is the set right there. I believe it was like last Christmas, and it gives you that swirly look, right? And I did the same thing that I'm doing here. I just took a dotting tool and I started making whirls and shapes and whatever, and I just let it kind of just go however I felt like doing it. But I'm sure that you can do like very beautiful filigree or paisley designs in there, but I just went straight for the swirly swirl. Oh, and by the way, the bear and rabbit charms are still on the website. Only the dark ones though, there aren't any of the light ones left. And if you decide to use the shell look, you can still use the magnetic part of it. I am a big fan of the wide cat eye, so that's what I do mostly when I get cat eye stuff, unless it's like the old school one line cat eye. Then of course, you know, I'll draw the regular just line cat eye. But with these, I really love the wide. I love when you take the circle and you kind of make it like a swirly looking design, but I went straight with the wide on these. So you can see as I'm taking the magnet, you're seeing that pinkish orange color come up, right? And that's using the magnetic. That's what makes it give it that cat eye when you shift it. Sometimes it looks purple, sometimes it looks pink. You know, it just depends, right? And that's the beauty of these type of products, because even if you try to do each nail exactly the same, of course you could get it. But for me, I like to have little variations on each nail. So even though it's a wide cat eye in general, they're not gonna all shine and flash the exact same way. As I was saying before, this polish ended up being very affordable because it is, I used a 30% off code, and they also have a 20% off coupon code, and you can use them together. So instead of paying $10 for one bottle of polish, it's only $5. And that is comparable to Aliexpress, except if you have Prime, you're getting it in a couple days instead of 2 weeks to 2 months, right? Now, there are two other products that the coupon code will work for. There is a gold and silver liner brush set, and it's the same thing. It'll end up being $5 after all the coupons and everything. And then there's also a blue polish, the cat eye polish, that looks like this. But it's straight like blue, light blue cat eye, and it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, but of course, you know, I had to go for the extra, you know, because bitch is extra. I can't help it, right? So my code will work for the purple polish, the purple cat eye polish, the blue cat eye polish, and the gold and silver liner brush set, okay? So those are the 3 products you can use my code on. And like I said, it makes them very, very affordable. And they're beautiful. And I had no problems working with this at all, of course. And I went straight on clear tips like I showed. You can do like double, let's see, I went from the bottom this time to give it just a little something different, right? Because I don't want all of them to look the same, at least for me. Now, we're going to double cat eye this, okay? I am taking 4 of our white jelly cat eye hearts, and I am putting it on the 4 fingers, excluding the thumb, because most of my pictures unfortunately don't show the thumb, because it's very awkward and it hurts my hands because of my arthritis. So I try to avoid it, you know, unless the thumb is actually like so super poppin'. And here I put the goop on the thumb without thinking, because normally I'll do all the nails. But I fixed it after, don't worry. But this is a super easy, beautiful set. Like, just you paint the polish, put on a little pizzazzle of extra, and kaboom, you got yourself a poppin' ass set in a short period of time. So I am using my drill gel glue in a pot to get these gems on. They're too small to be messing with the non-sticky stuff, and honestly, I'm just going to top coat these in. I am not going to top coat over them, but I'm going to take the top coat and like push it up so that they're kind of like sealed in there, in addition to having been put with the drill gel glue. Normally I would use my katana, my crystal katana, to get those on there, but I just went with the tweezers because I couldn't find the little katana, the case for it anyways. So I use those instead, and I'm just making sure that the hearts are straight and they're in the middle and all that good stuff, because if they're crooked on a plain design like this, it's very obvious. So you just want to be a little bit careful while you're checking with that. And if there is any kind of glue on the side, you might want to try to clean that up, because you don't want it showing even after you top coat it in. So there is that. That's without the top coat, and now this is after when I have top coated. Of course, just a little bit of difference, but look at all that pink orange color on there, right? And each nail shifts differently. And then you have the cat eyes, the hearts, they have like a gold line that shifts in them. That's what makes those cat eye. So you've got like a plethora of cat eye going on here. They came out super, super cute, super quick, super easy, and affordable as fuck, right? Okay, so again, there is my code on the bottom, 30 BRC nails, all caps. And again, you can use it on this polish, the blue polish, or the gold and silver liner brushes. And each one will cost you $5. So you can get 2 liner brushes for $5, or the polishes. And like I said, it is comparable to Aliexpress prices, and you don't have to wait 2 months to get it. Plus, of course, you have the beautiful cat eye hearts from our website. So don't forget about those. Don't forget to use the ambassador code SherieBaby10, Sassy10, or KF10. Save yourself 10% on your entire order, including everything that's on sale, which is most of the website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, all that good stuff, comment. All that good YouTube-y stuff. And I think that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a marvelous day. And thanks again. Mwah.